Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. Before we move on to the learning intentions, let's have a go at the warm-up. So we did a very similar question to this yesterday. Complete the comparison to make it true. So we've got the sum over here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Remember what this sign is. What does the crocodile always eat? What number sentence can you make here? Have a go and pause the video now. So the answers can be any times table where the answer is more than 8, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So for example, we've got 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 smaller than or less than 2 times 5, because 2 times 5 is 10.